Hello, thank you for having a look around my website and I hope you enjoy what you see. I'm Caroline Skinner from Caroline Skinner Art, and I just thought I'd let you know about a free service I'm offering. If you're interested in any particular one of my paintings, just get in touch using the contact details at the bottom of each page and I can arrange for you to have a free video call, just a one-to-one with you, to talk about things like the colour of the painting, the sizing, the framing options, how it might look in your home, and answer any questions that you might have before you consider purchasing. There's absolutely no obligation on your part and I'd love to have a chat with you. So I hope to hear from you soon. Bye for now.